Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings, where creativity needs sweetness. Today we are diving into the delicious world of drawing as we create an ice cream cone masterpiece that will make your mouth water. So grab your pencil and let's get ready to scoop up some creativity. Start by lightly sketching the shape of your cone. Keep it simple, a gentle triangle with a curved base. This will be the delicious foundation for our ice cream creation. Now let's add the star of the show, the ice cream scoops. Draw 2 or 3 large rounded shapes atop the cone. Remember, ice cream cone in all flavors, so feel free to get creative with the shapes and size of your scoop. Time to add some texture and flavor. Use curved line to create swirls on each scoop, giving them irresistible creamy look. Don't forget to add a few lines to the cone to give it that crispy texture. What's ice cream without sprinkles? Grab your pencil and add tiny dots or shape in various colors to represent sprinkles on top of your scoop. Let your imagination run wild. There is no such thing as too many sprinkles. Take a step back and admire your masterpiece. Darken the outlines, erase any stray lines, and add any final touches to make your ice cream cone come to life. Maybe even add a cherry on top for that extra touch of sweetness. Congratulations! You have created a delectable masterpiece that's sure to make anyone's mouth water. Take a moment to savor your creativity and share your sweet creation with the world. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more crafting adventure here at Original Craft Oasis. Until next time, stay sweet and keep crafting. Thank you so much for watching this video.